attachment is about a caregiver and a person receiving care. Disorganized attachment style can really only be clinically diagnosed in childhood. So when individuals try to say that as adults they have a disorganized attachment style, it doesn't ring true as far as a clinical diagnosis. But what it is telling us is that there's unresolved trauma, and that is likely an attachment trauma or some sort of attachment pattern that keeps landing the person in the same spot. So that means they're either blaming themselves or others, or in the worst case scenarios, they're blaming themselves and others, and they end up feeling really hopeless about the future and their ability to have their needs met through other people. And so again, when people really want to change and really want to understand themselves, there's always room to move through that.